Hey everybody, welcome to JABLES Outdoors. As you all know, I finally picked up a Axial Deadbolt, but all you've seen on it so far is my Ford F-250 Super Duty body on it. Here's my Deadbolt shell, or body, and I just went ahead and made my own custom homemade LED light bar. Pretty sweet lights, pretty bright. They are 1/4 watt, 5mm. Bright white LEDs, just ordered off the internet there. I believe they came from China. And you can see there, that's all I did, is I took the leads that come off the LEDs and I bent them over, so I kept all my positives on the top, all my negatives on the bottom, and I bent them so they touch each other, and then soldered them together, and then just soldered wires, ran that through, drilled a little hole. You can see down here I drilled a tiny little hole here for the wire to go through. And just a small little LiPo battery, JST connectors, velcroed to the bottom. And then what I did, just to make sure that there's no shortage, courtesy of Kevy's RC and Music, is he said, why don't you just melt a glue stick? You can see the glue there. Melt a glue stick to keep those from shorting out, those leads off the LEDs. I'm trying to focus in there. There you go, you can see that. So I melted the glue stick with a little torch, rub it on the back, lick my finger, and spread her flat. Let me know what you think. First little, it's my first mod, first upgrade to my scx10. Well, I got a little carried away with the soldering iron, and I had a couple more LEDs kicking around. So, showed you the LED light bar and how I did it. And then I was thinking, well, I got 4 more little LEDs. What could I use them for? Check that out. Bam! Look what I did to the scx10. I think it's a pretty neat little mod there. Lights off. Look at that. A little bit of underglow. You can't even really see the bulbs unless you really look underneath it. Check that out. How sweet does that look? And that's with the Deadbolt body on it. I don't even think I've shown you guys with the Deadbolt body yet, but you all know what they look like. So there's the 4 LED or 5 LED light bar, and then I've got underglow on each corner. Looks pretty slick. Outdoor videos at night there, it'll be nice and easy to follow with the camera. Anyways, keep watching JABLES Outdoors, and thanks for all your comments, likes, and subs.